channel, everyone. In today's video, bit of a random one, we're going to do my garden and we're also going to put up the gazebo. I absolutely everything I managed to get on the first pull, right up until the point it dies. A few pumps of petrol should get it going, hopefully. Has been sat for a long time, so I'm not surprised that it did have a bit of a hiccup. If you haven't seen the video where I restore this, go check it out. I'm going to put it up here. Go check it out and see what you think after this video. Basically what I'm doing is I've got to clear the garden because I need to put the gazebo up, because I can't keep doing the woodworking in the house. It keeps getting absolutely everywhere, so we need to start doing it outside, and my shed has got a massive hole in it, so we can't do it in there either. With me needing to come out of the house, I can't keep doing it in the garden because it's going to start raining, so I need somewhere under cover to be able to do all the projects out of the rain. So without further ado, more waffling, let's get on with it. Not that the grass needed actually cutting, I just needed all the space in the garden, so I thought while I'm here I might as well cut the grass. Maybe I need to cut in a bit more than I thought. Yeah, I must say I didn't see that whatsoever. is another project we've got going on. Make sure to subscribe, come back and check it out. Now let's clean this garden up and get rid of all these weeds. This is project number 2. This is another project that I've got another video coming out for. This will be project number 3. The whole purpose of this is to get the gazebo up so I can make a woodworking business, and I need the tools to be somewhere nice and dry. That there is part of project number 1 and also project number 4. So I've got lots more projects to get on with. Make sure you come back and check them all out. wouldn't normally leave it this long before I came out here and did the weeding, but I've not managed to get out here. Some of them were an absolute nightmare to pull out. Loads of different types of rubbish in here because you've got metal and then you've got all my kids' stuff from when they've been playing out here too. Here's Gary. make a workshop, guys. And girls. Very new to talking into the camera and at the camera. It's a bit weird. But I'm going to master it one way or another. So to a lot of you won't see this as a workshop, but I do see it as a workshop. It's a starting point, and at the end of the day you've got to start from somewhere, and you've got to start making a business somehow. So this is the way I'm going about it. Hopefully one day I do have enough money to be able to build my own shed, which will be a lot better than this, and then maybe even more, so we'll be able to go and actually get some sort of proper workshop. We can only dream. This channel is going to be all about fulfilling dreams. Well, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know this is a bit of a weird video, but this is hopefully the start of me making a business and also me fulfilling my dreams. For anyone wondering why tarpaulin's under there first, it's because we need to make sure I keep all the rain out, and the thing that I've got in my hand right now is not very waterproof. It does stop a tiny bit of water coming through if it was to start drizzling or something, but if it was to start heavy raining, then as it starts hitting on the top of it, it actually starts coming through like it would in a tent. So I need to be better safe than sorry. Lots of electricals are going in here. Well, not lots, because I ain't got lots, but some. I've never edited like this before, so if you think it's good, do me a favour and let me know in the comments, and hit that like button, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Should have probably took me an hour or two, ended up probably taking me all day.